Hi everyone. I thought it would be pertinent to take a look at Litecoin. Now, like Bitcoin, the trend is clearly down. So this is the high that we saw. Looking at the daily chart to give you a quick idea of what I'm talking about. This is the daily chart, and you can see the trend is clearly down from the high that we hit at 425. Now, going back to the 4-hour chart, you will see that I've drawn a channel, and the channel fits nicely. So if you really want to be picky about it, you can take the channel and you can draw it directly above, and you'll see that we seem to be within the two pivot points. We've taken support here. Looks to me like we're in the midst of a triangle formation, which is A, B, C, D, E. And if that is the case, then any close below this particular level of 47 would mean that Litecoin would make new lows. So a triangle is a continuation formation. This looks like a barrier triangle. At the same time, you have a moving average. Let me change the color there to give you a little more clarity. And let's use a green color here. Now you'll notice that we've tested it once, twice, three times, and we haven't broken above it. That's the 400 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So getting above that might give you some sort of indication. We haven't got above it since May. That maybe things would change, but I would think that for me, my level would be above 67 to be that's a conservative point of view. I mean, I would think 67 would be important to break this short-term downtrend. Rallying for, if you think that this thing could rally, waiting to break above that could give you confirmation. If you're a little impatient, you want to get, a piece of this, if there is a rally, then waiting for this particular moving average or this trend line to break could give you some sort of impetus that there would be a move higher. And if you project this trend line out, yeah, you do have pivot, 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 pivot. So I would think that level would be around 61. That would maybe give you an indication that potentially you could see a move higher. But remember, you still have lower highs. And until those lower highs, until the trend is changed, you could easily get a false, a bear market rally, you could get a false breakout, and then you could continue seeing more decline. So please keep stop losses going into the shorter term time frames to give you an idea what I'm talking about in terms of stop losses. You see that we've rallied from the low on the 29th. I would think that you do not want to get below 49 bucks. If you do get below 49 bucks, this is not the start of a new rally. This is just part of the triangle, and you'll continue trading sideways. The decline here that I'm seeing doesn't indicate to me something very serious. It's overlapping. What that would mean is that if we could get maybe above 54.39 or 54.50, I would think that Bitcoin or Litecoin has the ability to rally ahead or maybe make a new high above the 7th November high that we've seen lately. So we've seen a move from 47 to 56. That's not a bad move. You would obviously expect some sort of profit taking here. But I would think that maybe there would be a chance to see 60. I would not be selling right now. I would not be selling. At the same time, looking at this particular trend line that I've drawn here, I know it's a little faint, and I've kept it like that so that it doesn't distract you from anything else. But you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're right at that pivot again. So you might just see a bounce here, and then a rally thereafter back to about 60, 61. And that's a level that I would maybe look to sell if I'm long or if I've made some profit. That's a good level to take some profit. Remember, 47.50 or 47 is important. Anything below that, and Litecoin will make new lows. Thank you.